Let's see 10 ways to improve ourselves from clutter to clarity. First, create your space. While working, we should never work in mess. Rather, we should file documents properly and pile up in such a way that we can take it easily while working rather than searching and creating mess. In this way, we will be able to work focusedly on our work and definitely can achieve success. Second, identify what matters. In our day-to-day work, we forget our priority. We should always write down the list and list them on priority basis. Making a priority table is the best solution for this. In this table, we have 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1 is for important and urgent. Quadrant 2 is important but not urgent. Quadrant 3 is urgent but not important. Quadrant 4 is not urgent and not important. By opting this method, you can easily identify what is your priority. Third, do one thing at a time. While doing multitasking, we lose our focus. We will not be able to concentrate on any work. So, we should always concentrate on one work, focusedly rather than multitasking. Fourth, avoid distractions. In our day-to-day life, we are so attached to technologies that we get easily distracted by the notifications. We should keep them silent while working, stay focused on our work. Fifth, eat well. In this world of junk food, we should always strive for healthy food. Junk food gives us satisfaction, but not for health. It is good, whereas healthy food is good and keeps your body healthy and away from doctor. Seventh, journal. We should always journal our day-to-day activity. We should always plan our next day's previous night, which help us to be productive and do time management properly. I hope you must like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.